How to resell Temu products. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I will be explaining how you will be able to resell different types of products from Temu. Now, Temu doesn't have any prior connection to other e-commerce platform, so reselling it might take a while or it might be a very manual process. And so that's how I'm going to be teaching you in today's video. So first things first, the first step is to download an extension called Temu Image Downloader. You have this extension over here. You don't need to use this specific extension. I think there's other types of extension out there with the same purpose. But the purpose of this is to be able to download the images from Temu, because if you go in Temu, open an option over here. If you click on a specific image, you will be able to save that image. Let's wait for the pop-up to appear. There we go. You will be able to save it, but it will be in web file. And to be honest, it's going to be a hassle to be saving it one by one over here. And sometimes you won't be able to even save the video. As you can see, there's no option to save it as a video, as you can see. And there's other images over here depending on the variants as well. So that's going to be a very hassle and lot of images to download. So using an extension just like this will allow you to download all the images and videos just like that. After that, what you're going to need to do is you're going to take the different information of the product that you have selected. Now, let's say you want to resell this on a different platform, maybe let's say eBay. Now in eBay, to be able to add a product, of course, you need the information such as title, the price, and the images. You even have some description. Those are the bare minimum information that you could use to add a product. So what you're going to do, get the downloaded photos using the extension, simply copy and paste the title, or even make it more fancier than this one. Choose a different title. This one is a bit just very descriptive, but you can add a title better in eBay, and add the different variants, of course, and add the description. And once someone sells or once someone buys from eBay, what you're simply going to do is you're going to take the information that they have given you, your customer in eBay, and order it in Temu by simply clicking on Add to Cart and entering the information of the customer that has bought that item from, or that has bought the item that you are selling. And that's basically it. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.